battle between two of the most deadly predators in North America is about to take place. Only one will live to see another day. The other is destined to die. Using teamwork, Ceratosaurus, they're in unfamiliar territory. Unfortunately, they've wandered into the den of the most dangerous dinosaur of the Jurassic, Allosaurus.
Dinosaurs like Allosaurus and Ceratosaurus rex would have marked the boundaries of their territory with scent marks like modern predators do. These scent marks were a clear warning to intruders that they were not welcome.
Drawn into the Allosaurus' territory by the promise of prey and prime hunting grounds, the Ceratosaurus continue their hunt.
One of the favorite hunting methods of Ceratosaurus is the hide-and-seek method. She'll hide in a dense grove of trees along a game trail, standing motionless. Only thing moving on her are going to be her eyes. She doesn't want to give away her position.
Off to spy potential prey. The other takes advantage of its surroundings and uses it to conceal her body.